Hello car lovers. Today I will tell you everything you need to know about the 2025 Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V comes with powerful engine options. 1.5L turbocharged engine. This engine produces 190 horsepower and offers excellent performance, especially in terms of fast acceleration and road handling. The CVT transmission enhances the driving experience, making your trips smoother. If you are looking for a more eco-friendly option, you should check out the hybrid engine. The Sport Hybrid and Sport Touring Hybrid models feature low-emission driving characteristics, helping you stay environmentally conscious. Additionally, the hybrid system offers significant fuel savings, making it especially advantageous for long trips. The 2025 CR-V meets everyone's needs with various trim levels and pricing options. The LX model addresses basic needs while providing a quality experience. The EX and EX-L models offer extra technological features, more luxurious interior options, and advanced safety technologies. The Sport Hybrid and Sport Touring Hybrid models have a sportier design and provide fuel economy with hybrid engine options. Prices vary based on trim level and additional features, starting from $31,450. However, higher trim levels may increase the price depending on the features included. The 2025 Honda CR-V is quite impressive in terms of technology and safety. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration are standard on EX and higher trims. This allows you to easily mirror your phone's screen to the car's display, listen to music, and use navigation. Honda sensing safety technologies come standard on all models. This system includes lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and adaptive cruise control, improving your driving safety. With features like the blind spot information system and rear cross-traffic monitor, the CR-V provides enhanced security during driving. These features make driving in city traffic and heavy traffic much more comfortable. When we look at the interior, the 2025 CR-V stands out for its comfort and spaciousness. Dual-zone automatic climate control allows for an ideal temperature for both the driver and passengers. The heated seats and heated steering wheel provide extra comfort during cold weather, especially on long trips. The spacious interior is a great advantage, especially for families. The trunk is also quite large, making it easier to pack for long vacations. Fuel efficiency is another notable feature of the 2025 Honda CR-V. With the 1.5L turbo engine, it achieves 28 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway, providing excellent fuel economy, especially for long trips. The hybrid models offer even better fuel efficiency, allowing you to cover longer distances at a lower cost without harming the environment. The lower emissions offered by the hybrid models make them an excellent choice for environmentally conscious drivers. The 2025 Honda CR-V is an exceptional SUV with its advanced engine options, superior safety features, spacious interior, and economic fuel consumption. Combining safety and driving pleasure, this model is ideal for families and long trips. If you are looking for a practical, modern, and eco-friendly vehicle, the 2025 Honda CR-V could be the perfect choice for you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to share your thoughts about this vehicle in the comments section.